You asked how to buy shares of 4DMedical Ltd. 4DMedical Ltd. develops advanced medical imaging focused on lung function and trades on CBOE AUS under the ticker 4DX.ASX. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will normally need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker 4DX.ASX to locate the listing. Select the result that clearly shows 4DMedical Ltd. on CBOE AUS. On the stock page, check the company overview and the price chart to ensure this is the correct 4DMedical Ltd. listing. Confirm the ticker reads 4DX.ASX and the exchange is CBOE AUS. Tap Investor Trade, enter the amount you want to purchase, then review the order details and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it completes the transaction. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. For the example link and more details, check the description below.